Hello everyone, welcome for today's video. In today's video, we're gonna discuss about very important topic for our environment, that is our nature. Why would I suggested you to talk with our nature? Because our nature was very much important, performing the role in our daily life. For example, let's suppose that so from few days ago the temperature was, or currently now the temperature was hiking at the more than 45-50 degrees Celsius in every places. But coming to the Jharkhand, I belong from the Jharkhand state, where also the temperature rises to at least 50 to 52 degrees. So that how could be the temperature get to the rise according to the world? Why the global warming get increased day by day? How the in coming to the past year, the in 2020-23 the temperature was rise up to 44 degrees Celsius, but in the current year the temperature rise up to 50 degrees Celsius. Why is the rise in the temperature? Why is the problem that we have to suffer from ourselves? So that the single reason is for that we have to take a find the identify the what reason that behind for ourselves, that how and why could the forest was cutting down, and why the temperature was increases, why the global warming was increases. So that this was the today's topic, discussing about our nature, how can nature can help us for becoming to be the better life for ourselves. So that something that I have know, and something innovative, something informative content that I can deliver you for motivating you to grow a tree, to planting trees, planting vegetables. As you can see in my background, that I can mention in my background the trees that were kept back at me, and lots of the farming farms that I can grow for myself and growing by myself. So that how it could be important to become a farmer, because I was belonging to the family of a farmer, so that I cannot leave my roots and the basics from myself. Let's coming to the point that where could the, and from why, and from how could the temperature get increases, and the global warming also get increases for our daily survival. So that coming to the point, the temperature or the survival of the human beings or the animals all get so much say that very much difficult for in today's generation, today's time, because of rise in the global warming. And the single reason is that why the global warming get increases daily. As you can see that lots of people at the afternoon, at 10 o'clock to 3 o'clock, at the morning, do not go out of the home because of lots of sunset, lots of sun radiation from their self, and the tanning in the skins, and lots of problem get blood from the nose, taking lots of loo into the air, lots of air, that body feels like burning, the skin like burn at the out of the outage out from the home. So that why this was temperature was get increases in 2020-24, we have to focusing upon ourselves that the temperature was increased only on the single reason of the cutting down of the tree. Because of the overpopulation, the population get increases, and the while increase in the temperature, the increase so that the temperature get increases, while whenever the population get increases, there was having lots of difficulty that we have to be suffer from ourselves. So that coming to the point, that where is the population increases in India? Currently we are the world's largest populated country in our world. So that let's coming to the point, what's the matter that behind the rise in the global warming. The it matters for the it matters because let's suppose that all the government wants to improve our manufacturing industries, improving the roads industrialization by cutting down the trees, establishing the many factories, polluting the rivers, polluting the seas, ocean, and polluting the all over the land. As you can see, any of the places that you can walk into the ground, you always see and find the plastics that were spread around us, that create a pollution to the land. This for example, let's suppose a bunches of plastic that can be covered in cover, not to say cover, but that can be kept inside our in the land, and after that the seeds that grown into the land, and it could not be grow because the plastic covered the area that cannot give them the that cannot supply the oxygen at this place, and they cannot supply the water, they cannot uh, give them to grow into this atmosphere or the surroundings. So find out the reason that the climate was changed because of our the because of human. Why the human can change create a lots of difficulties for the survival, because if the coming to the backward, the pollution was get decreased, no lots more pollution was at the past of the time. But in the current time, the lots of politicians, lots of say manufacturing companies, lots of factories that can set up, and by using this they can set up in the factory by cutting down of tree, by making the roads, cutting down or cut down the trees, and create the pollution, and increase the high level of high chances of global warming. So the another point is that by cutting down a tree, because the oxygen level decreases, also I mentioned the point that while increasing the population in our world, the population get up to very much hike, and very much say call that very high at the time. So that while getting the population very high, the needs of the people was also to be very high, so that every people needs everything. So that let's suppose I give you an example that if a person I will explain you. Let's suppose a person or people or a human being survive average 60 years in his daily, 60 to 70 years in current situation. But I wanted to ask you that if this those person he and a single person can grow a tree for their entire life, they will say no. But after the dying, they can, into the Hindus culture, after dying they can take a tree for their burn out their body. So that how it could be so much serious talk to ourselves, that always consider to be our point and consider to be ourselves, that don't cut down the tree. But in our human beings, lots of people say that we this is our journey, that we have to focusing upon ourselves, so that we have to cut down the trees. But we, as we are all learning people, and we are, as we are a student, we can know something and know about how can the nature get affected by the cutting down of tree. The pollution was get increases, the global warming was increases, lots of skin disease that was occur because of the sun radiation in current 2020-24, and lots of many more disease, many more stress that has to be come because of the say disaster because of the global warming. So initial step that we have to taken, that if you don't stop the, if you don't able to stop the cutting down of tree, then you can take a decision that we can planting our tree, planting trees, or planting many more say plants for their for example, I was a kid not more than 20 years, but I will take a decision that for coming years, I will, let's suppose that my age was 20, but I will start to sorry to say start planting trees by every two trees for my entire life, for every year. For example, let's suppose that if I my age was 20, and after 40 years I will grow the 40 trees in my in the land, so that after growing the 40 trees, there will be lots of say important, or lots of फायदेमंद not getting the point, that lots of advantage from these places and these points, so that how it could be so much important. And after maturing the trees, we get fruits from them, fruits from there, and the fresh air that we can keep, because in current generation lots of people can try to cut the trees, and for making the tree houses, for making the tree onto the floor, wooden ply, making lots of harming the nature, and doing the lots of sorry to say, lots of paining to the nature. And coming to the point that while after open cast minings that can cover the urea coals, and by blasting the ground, the pollution level was getting increases, so that while increase in the pollution decrease while increase in the pollution, the survival of the human being get decreases. For example, let's suppose I was belonging from the place where lots of trees there was planted by my grandfathers, and they cannot cut down the trees, so that coming to the point that whenever I go from my city called Dhanbad, I was belonging from the Jharkhand Dhanbad city, and whenever I go for the Dhanbad city, I was get suffocated from myself and get lots of problem into the breathing. So that, and what after going to this place and coming to my house, there was having lots of pollution in my skins and lots of darkness in my skin because of the high pollution into this area. And not over to the, I was belonging to the place where the coals were present a lot, but also to the reason where at this place there was having lots of vehicles that move around ourselves, that create a lots of pollution to our surrounding, that will harming our nature. For example, let's suppose that a fuel vehicle can travel more than 70, 80, 100 kilometer in a day, but after traveling 100 kilometer they exhaust a pollution from themselves, and after relieving the pollution, the surrounding that ourselves get heated up. For example, let's suppose that the heat of our surrounding was not to be increased by the solar by the sun radiation, but also get in some temperature also get increases because of the surrounding that we have. For example, let's suppose in front of us lots of trees with ourselves, so that while lots of tree with ourselves, they can exhaust they can absorb the heat that was occur in ourselves or in our surroundings, so that they can consume the heat, and the heat level not to get so much higher than the heat level get higher into the cities of metro cities, or into the cities where the no more trees, no longer trees were present, lots of buildings, lots of clean roads, and making the drainage system and everything is so much good, but the tree was not at this place, so that how it can harming the nature, and after harming the nature, the pollution was very much increases, so that in this place and also the global warming and the temperature was also get very much increases. You get suffocation at this place, and you have to focus, you have to lots of problem into this place. You have try to breathing, that have to be problem into the breathing. You have to be problem in your skin disease because of the lots of pollution. You have to be problem in your sorry to say, you have to problem in your uh, etc, lots of thing. And so that what should be the initial step, or what should be the, how can we conquer the pollution level, so that we do not have to discuss about the point that not to focus about ourselves, that depending upon the government, so that depending upon the government, because if we are depending upon government, the government will grow the trees no more, but after we can, every person that we are around ourselves, we make and we can grow the trees lots of time and lots of people. Let's suppose 10 crore people grow the trees for every day, the tree will be growing 10 crore people every year grow the 2 trees, so that the tree of 10 crore into 2 will get the billions of the tree that we around, so that how it could be so much important that every person take a decision to planting the trees for our surrounding. This was also very much important, and planting tree, but also have to clean our surrounding, because as we can see any around us, that lots of pollution that has to be covered in our land because of throwing of plastic. Don't throw the plastic, but if you can throw the plastic, then pick up and paired and just to store into the dustbin that were mentioned by the government and the municipality community, so that this will clean the land, so that it was also be very much important to be cleaning system for our environment. And another point is that how we can, if we cannot throw the plastics and plastic bags and plastic everything, but many people who can throw the plastics with around self, then how we can say them to no use of plastic, no, don't do it. But I have to say something about myself, that if you cannot do, then forget it about for another people. But just to say that you cannot harm the people, then many people that can inspire you. Let's suppose that for your entire life, for not to 2 to 3 year, you can inspire more than 10 people to no use of plastic, so that by 10 people, so that the another 10 people can also to be minimize the uses of plastic. So that how it could be important if the public was needed the plastic. So if we are public was get addicted toward the plastic, so that how we can identify that the politicians say that no use of plastic, but the public was very much addicted toward the plastic. So that we have to conquer about the no use of plastic, so that we have to avoid it, just to use the jute paper, jute bag, so that it could be helping ourselves, so that growing of trees, growing of plants, and lots of on any another things. And another topic was that because today's climate was very much low because of lots of time, but the rain was nothing to be happen, and the temperature wise always high to be more than 45 46 degrees Celsius. That can be create the lots of global warming. The plants that we have grown, that will die every day, so that how this could be very much difficult for the survival. Let's coming time, real time temperature that was coming to be more than coming to be the temperature more than 45 degrees Celsius. Let's suppose that after 20 year, what should be the temperature of our surrounding. It also get increases to the 60-degree temperature, so that how could be the survival of the human being get possible. So that we have to take an initial step toward it, and to minimize and overcome the temperature. And also to suggest it from myself that use the electric vehicle that we have, do not exhausted the heat energy and heat from themselves, so that they cannot pollute the air. Let's suppose that many myth from the people, that by using the electric vehicle, lots of problem, that we cannot travel more than more area, more places, more time, longer time. The single reason is that you cannot travel more than 100 kilometers in a day. Sometime in a month you have to travel for more than 100 or 200 kilometers. So that you have to find out that not to focusing upon